Planning a trip to Oahu? Let's talk about how to make it an adventure you'll never forget. But what if your vacation could be, well, more than just taking amazing photos? What if you could make incredible memories and leave a positive impact on the island? That's where Voluntourism comes in. It's a tour designed to really connect you with a community. You can actually get your hands dirty, helping to preserve Oahu's stunning natural beauty. And get this, it only takes about an hour and a half to make a real difference.
Plus, the whole tour is 100% private. It's completely built around what you want to do.
Oh, and by giving back to the community, you'll save over $150. So here's the advantage: big savings, flat rate pricing, and total flexibility. Okay, so how does Halia really stack up against a typical group tour? As you can see, Halia delivers on impact, savings, and that private custom service. And don't just take our word for it. Guests are absolutely raving about their experience. Because it's so flexible, it's perfect whether you're a family, a couple, or traveling solo.
And as Maria points out, the local guides are incredible. The whole day just flies by.
So, an experience this good must be complicated to book, right? Nope, it's super easy. It's literally just 4 simple steps online to lock in your date and time. Then, a quick survey lets you personalize everything, right down to your hotel pickup. And that one flat rate covers your guide, vehicle, and total flexibility. Okay, but what about that amazing discount we talked about? How do you get it? It's automatic. Just select the community service tour when you book. No codes needed. So, are you ready to have an incredible vacation that you can feel really good about? Go ahead and check availability to start planning your perfect Oahu adventure right now.